At the University of Technology, Sydney, we live and breathe technology, innovation, and creativity, and you will too. It's all around us: business, engineering, health, science, design, education. Expand your horizons with students from around the world. Study in the heart of Tech Central, Sydney's creative and cultural precinct. Surrounded by over 3,000 creative industries and close to the CBD, Darling Harbour, nightlife and beaches. Meet new friends, mentors, industry partners, and experience hands-on learning among people who will support you throughout your studies. When you become a UTS graduate, you'll be ready to deliver real solutions to the challenges of now and the future. At UTS, you come first. No matter what you choose to learn, we'll be with you every step of the way. Be creative. Dream big. UTS.